Neil has this, Neil and Mayank are scoring.
Maybe a junior bat. You cannot put your weight behind the bat and drive. Bat is break. That's on the bat lighter. But yeah, this is a bit tight.
Manju at this deep square leg boundary, Rahul at cow corner, Neil and Sriram umpires, and Nachi at wide long arm.
Let's clarify the runs needed, man.
Hello.
That's it, Bylog, that's it. ऐसे ही लेग पे कोई नहीं है, ऐसे सिंगल लेते रहो, वाइड नो बॉल देगा वो एक्स्ट्रा. बात होगी है मेरी शैलजीत से. चौथा बॉल शैलजीत, वाइड चौथा बॉल.
चौथा नहीं, अभी वाला.
बंद किया क्या यार?
Rahul's moved up.
Shot, yaar. Great shot. Nice one, Milind. Good job, Milind.
मिलिंद थोड़ा और तेज भागो.
Let's go guys, let's go.
Nice bowling,
Nice batting, Bylog. Nice batting. Let's go, nice batting. Let's change the game.
96 stays down in the end with 5 balls to go. 95 now 123.
Bowling, lovely ball, man.
चौथा बॉल लाइक मैंने बोला था वैसे. ये वाला वाइड है. अगर ये वाइड गया ना, मैं आके जाके लॉटरी खरीद रहा हूँ. वाइड है. ये वाला वाइड है.
Yes. I do see that. Tomorrow, but Thursday would look like.
वही बात रखो बोल. अपने रन आ गए आराम से.
आगे अभी एक दो बॉल रिलैक्स करो यार.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm out in 8. If you were to come, yeah. So tomorrow, if you were to come on
10:30. Good one. ला. अपने आगे भाई लोग.
Okay. So then, in that case, can we do say lunchtime tomorrow around 12:30? Okay, let's do that. Let's plan on that.
फील्ड देख ले पीछे क्या वो.
No, 21. 23 here, no? 122 to win. Sure, I can give you the address right now. It's 8 Post Oak Lane. 103. 8 number building number 8 and 20 Post Oak Lane. Yep.
एक बॉल से अंकित लॉटरी में वो नंबर हो +1 लॉटरी में +1.
नो प्रेशर शैलजीत.
आराम से.
Right, but
come on.
105 for 2 in
18 goals, 19 runs.
what? I don't know. Hey, I told whatever.
11 runs.
Second scorer.
4 overs, 32 to win. It was not 30.
I'm sorry. Please fight with Neil. He told me. Awesome. He's gone to confer with the main
3
umpire.
overs, 21.
Awesome. I'll be there. Stacey, my name is Ravi.
What is the required?
21.
3. Wow.
अलग कैसे हो गया नील चीटिंग
नील चीटिंग नहीं कर रहा है, सर चीटिंग कर रहा है।
सीरियसली
मेरे को रघु मॉनिटर कर रहा है
क्या किया तूने? क्या किया तूने? डॉट बॉल?
वो नील 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 21 चाहिए ना
नहीं, हो गया रफी 20 स्कोर दैट थिंग. Dot and then a no ball.
No ball height, right?
Height no ball, yes.
Holy shit, 6 star है वो.
4 है. Neil's given us 4.
विलेन सही शॉट
नाइस बॉल, नाइस बॉल। फील्ड से वाले नाइस बॉल। देखो पीछे क्या?
ऐसी ले एक
Run the ball, run the ball. Come on, Adai. 16 or 15.
16 or 15 guys.
Caught keeper. Right? Batman cross. No. वो 4 था. 4 के बाद वो इधर कैसे आया?
Milind got out. Milind was out next ball.
Yeah, but that was a 4, right?
Yeah, the 4 is already scored. Dude.
16 or 14.
I believe it. You score that as a 6?
पीछे क्यों नहीं गया? वो ओवर का पहला बॉल था. So it was नहीं जाएगा. ओवर था ना वो. तू नहीं जा रहा है पीछे.
Fine, whatever.
That was my Milind or Amol? 4.
And then wicket.
Milind. Caught keeper.
Apps crashing.
2 overs, 15 runs to win.
2 over 15.
2 ओवर में 15
Let's go भाई लोग.
It's not letting
Apps
apps crashing.
Have crashed? Don't worry. I'm remembering now.
6.
Dude, seriously,
Dot.
you're like recording the whole thing.
Yes.
6 dot.
Dot. Then 4.
4. Then there is a wicket.
Hey, what happens if the score tie?
Super over. Right. 4 and then he was out caught. Then wicket.
We won't have a tie, dude.
Caught.
Raghu.
Keeper.
See, every time you save a wicket, it's crashing. Now it's Mayank this thing. Whatever Mayank has.
Mayank!
Field देख लो भाई लोग, field देख लो.
ये आप गया. That's the score.
If it's a tie, what happens?
Super over.
Why not just 1 point each? It's a league game, right?
गलत हो रहा है यहाँ पे.
Now Chennai Chirag time Mayank that they just 2 overs against 1.
इसको विकेट चाहिए नहीं. वापस
I think it's after 28 overs it seems it's still tied. Cricket is not like penalty shooter and soccer. Or not even like
Yeah, I hate that in
basketball.
T20 cricket.
Yeah.
Even in league game, why do you need to have they give 1 point each? They don't win, they don't win.
Bold! Bold!
Come on, guys.
Yeah, keep Bales, man.
Over the stump, sorry. Over the stump.
It was on the stumps. Swaroop, Suresh. If there were Bales, the Bales would have been knocked out.
Wait, hit the stump?
I think if the Bales were there, the Bales would have been knocked out. Bowling, man, bowling. That was not a wide. Mine's given a few which are not wides as wide. Tomorrow's video will show it out. Sirs, huh?
Hit the stump. We can check if it hit the stump.
You can. Catch it, catch it, catch it, catch it. Yeah!
Let's go, let's go.
Huh? 9 balls? 9 balls 15. 9 balls 14.
They don't single it. 15 runs, they are up to over with it. 9.
9 balls 14 to win. 15. Oh my god. This is becoming a bit like last Thursday's Transformers X-Men game. X-Men were like coasting. All of a sudden, 3 overs, 3 to win. 7 wickets in hand became 1 over, 2 to win.
I heard Arvind bowled very good.
Anand bowled. I didn't see Anand's bowling. That was in Wednesday's game. Justice League. Arvind, I didn't see that.
Let's go.
Yeah, I've lost track, man. It's way too far gone.
Shot, yes.
What an over, man. 1 run, 2 wickets.
So, 1 over 14, huh?
14 to win.
14 to win or 15 to win? 14 to win.
13 to win.
Wow.
Well played, well played.
Suresh, this is Thursday's game all over again.
But there were
3 overs, 3 to win, 7 wickets and coasting. 1 run with a stupid run out. Batsman doesn't come this far, he doesn't put the bat inside. Broken. And he thought it's a 1D. It was not. There is no 1D. The next over, because the next over is a maiden, and 1 over 2 runs to win. And the batsman who's been on the form batsman, he's on the other end. First ball boundary, match over.
What do you think?
Huh? I think we literally have our tails back in the match. We are in the match by yay much.
14 runs.
14, yeah, but I mean the way they scored 14 so far. That's the only thing. That's the only reason. Otherwise,
Yeah, otherwise
13 overs they've scored at 9 and over, 10 and 8 and over.
pretty much at
Yeah.
towards the end they lost wickets.
And if you're chasing and if it,
Too many catches.
it's too many. Everybody's dropped catches today, so.
This was probably the first, second catch. How many wickets there?
Just 4 close-in fielders on the off. And Captain under pressure. Captain America under pressure. Slog and a miss. 4 balls, 14 required.
भी 6 लगाना
it just one ball can shift momentum just like that. Easy. That's okay. One is fine. 3 balls, 13. And change in the field. Sriram, Nachi, Thane. 3 balls 13 ना तो 2-2 में 1-2 में कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Should Swaroop and Raj be deep? Oh, it's okay. Would have been a good catch. Would have capped a great match for Raj. 2 balls, 12 to win.
वो इतना नहीं किया था वाइड बॉल था
Yeah, if he had left it, would have been a wide.
बॉल how much
2 balls, 12 to win.
2, right?
2 balls, 12 to win.
Not happening. Sorry. Yes, I like to see it. I should just hold the just hold slow.
1 ball, 12 to win.
this could have been more
Yeah.
Dramatic collapse. I have no idea how we won this match.
You are incredible. Why are you playing?